And are you ready to go into a brand new year? Are you looking at 2023 going, I do not want to repeat what happened in 2022. So today I'm going to share with you how to make daily pay from home. So check it out. It's just barely noon here, and this is what I've already created today, daily pay today. And this was my day yesterday. So why? Why are that many people wanting to get a blueprint and learn how to make money from home? Because they are wanting a completely different 2023. Be free in 2023. So here is why this blueprint is so popular. Because it shows you step by step how to make daily pay. And we show you how to do that working 2 hours a day. So for example, I'm going to share with you what we do in the 2 hours, and then I'm going to show you what else you'll do with the blueprint. Because once you purchase a blueprint, we show you how to put your business on autopilot. So you see this page right here. We show you how to take people on a journey of a know, like, and trust. And so they be able to go through your automations and see pages like that. And inside the community, this is our community of like-minded people that are there to support you, encourage you, and help you. And inside the community, I actually give you how to set your business up on autopilot. I give you that for free. So once your business is set up on autopilot, what you do is you will create content to attract your perfect customers to that offer. And I actually give you how to find your perfect customer and how to create content. Inside of this, you'll see I give you a content calendar every single month, which gives you what kind of content to create. And then we even show you inside your blueprint how to create that content. Like, check this out. If you want to learn to master Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, whatever you're looking to master, or TikTok, we will show you step by step how you can master these social media platforms. So let's all back it up and lay it all out for you. So purchase your blueprint. After you purchase your blueprint, you'll immediately get a welcome email. Inside that welcome email, your very first step is to pay $39 for your website, and that gives you the ability to start earning daily pay. So you can have days just like this. And you will be in the learning and earning stages. So while your website is being set up, you can start going through putting your business on autopilot, right? Going inside the classroom, get your business set up on autopilot. So the moment your business is back, you can start getting eyeballs to your offer. And while you're learning how to master social media platforms, you can also be earning an income. And that's what I loved. So this training in this community will help shave off your learning curve and help you be able to take action quicker. And our goal in 2023 is to take 1,000 people through this community and show them step by step how to make $300 a day, which is $109,000 a year. If that's something you're interested in, just put more info in the comments, and I would absolutely love to share it with you. I'll be reaching out to you, or go right in here in the descriptions and you can click on it will take you right here and you can learn more, and you'll actually receive an email from me. And if you have questions for me, reply to that email. I would absolutely love to answer them from you.